Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, relatively tricky chart to talk about. I've done this analysis several times already, and it's tricky because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, and you bought there, you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. Yeah, from the highs, the price did pull back quite a bit, but from the grand scheme of things, the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. Just higher lows being built over extended periods of time. And to offer up a little bit more context, and I should note that I am going to be talking about things from the big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into it. But let's just say, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just for example's sake, let's say that the price actually comes down here to $4.60. Once again, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but it'll really kind of just show just how strong the overall chart is. So the price comes down here to 460, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have these lows down there. And then you'd have lows even lower than these. But this will do enough to illustrate the point. So if you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you have from the big picture? Well, big picture-wise, still very clearly having stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. You want to see progress being made forward. And 460, does a great job of representing how that progress, it would still very clearly being made in that situation. Again, I get it. If you're a flipper or day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, the price pulled back today, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day. Looking at multiple days as we've done here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build that higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.